cineinc.com.
It was written by somebody from Hitler's Germany about his experience. He ended up in the camps, concentration camps under Hitler, and this poem he wrote following that experience. And it can be adjusted and used to other circumstances, and it is still today. But the original main version he wrote goes like this. First they came for the communists, and I did not speak out because I was not a communist. Then they came for the Trade Unionists, and I did nothing because I was not a Trade Unionist. Then they came for the Jews, and I said nothing because I was not a Jew. And then they came for me, and there was no one left to speak out for me. And so it becomes adapted. And so there's now a version on the internet saying, and then they came for the Palestinians. And I was not a Palestinian, so I did not speak out. And then they came for the Muslims in Britain and elsewhere. And I was not a Muslim, so I did not speak out. And it's about the need to be committed and express solidarity at that first moment with our fellow human beings, whoever they are. And it's more than just a poem of principle. It actually expressed his life, because he really had not spoken out when Hitler came for the communists. Yep. He really had not spoken out when he came for the Trade Unionists. Yes. And when he finally got round to speaking out, it was too late.
cineinc.com